Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop apps from opening on startup on Windows. It will be really simple and easy. So lot of apps like Steam, Discord, iTunes, Spotify, that stuff will automatically start up. So to prevent that, just right click on your taskbar and simply tap on this task manager. If that doesn't work, go for the search bar and type here task manager and simply open it up. So the task manager might look a bit different on your computer, but it's the same thing. So these right here on the left side might be over here on the top. But regardless, you just want to find startup apps. It could be like up here. For me, it's right here. Any of these are the apps that will automatically start up. Now, right here under status, it says either enable or disable. If it's disabled, then it's not starting up, and if it's enable, it means it will starting up. So for example, you can see this one here. We don't need this one. So you are just going to press on it. So you can see this option here. Simply tap on this disable. So now you see it says disable. So that's how you can disable the apps you don't want to open it up. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to stop apps from opening on startup on Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.